大家好，我现在在比利时，这里比深圳冷多了。我们千里迢迢来这里，主要是为了和我们的合作伙伴，一起来深度的探讨接下来产品该怎么优化，合作模式如何深化，等相关的一些问题。今天我们一会儿他就会来接我们到办公室，我们好好把这些事情聊透。好了，一会儿他就来了。
Normally this is, I have some post,
Okay. Mailbox.
mailboxes, there is a server room, okay?
Alright.
Server.
So, some facilities.
Alright.
咖啡机。
现在到了Cybrid Thrust 的这个 workshop， 在比利时看到很多我们公司的产品也是挺有意思的一个感受，可以看一看。
D60 135 280S。
这次我们在比利时合作伙伴这里也看到了一些小惊喜，比如说这个我身边这个天气传感器，这是我们自己一直没有解决好的问题，但是我们这个比利时合作伙伴呢，他们也是经过一阵挑选，最后选择了美国的这个戴维斯，而且他们做了测试，我了解了一下成本呢，其实也没想象那么高，现在工作起来非常好。其实我们就是我们有一些合作伙伴，我们有一些客户，如果你们看到这个视频，对这个天气传感器还是不太满意的话，可以参考我们比利时合作伙伴这个解决方案，用戴维斯这家的这个效果还是很不错的。链路这些都是对接通的啊，这要感谢我们合作伙伴。
Came from that industry already with the drone, and so we had good school because with drone bolt we had a lot of. I went through all the product development for 3 years because I was good for sales. Okay, so I sell the drone. The drone was not good. Send it back. I want to sell. I want to be on the market. So improve the drone. Go back. And
Okay.
So I know that the technology, it takes time. You need to improve.
That's
and
great.
It's normal life cycle.
New industry, new
Yeah.
product.
This product from first generation.
That's first one.
No, wait. This one works wonderful.
我先的
This works super good. This is one of the best. If I need to do a proof of concept with a customer, I know it's not the most beautiful, the most advanced version of your DNS, but this one I can put at the customer, never problem. It works perfect.
Well,
Yeah, I'm telling you. If there is something not good, I'm telling you. If there is something good, I'm telling you. This is good because it's easy to do proof of concept with customer, and it's very good sales argument because you say, okay, you want to try it? Hey, here it is. Try it.
That's
And
good.
we deployed it for 3 months to private security company.
Very positive.
You need to.
With passion.
You need to, yeah. Oh, but we love the solution. And the bot mentioned concept is very strong.
That's good.
But even with you, you're not happy with the weather station. Just find one to integrate yourself. And with other clients, they won't be that.
They just
Yeah,
upset, do nothing.
Because most of the people do not really come from that industry, and they don't understand the technology.
Yeah, maybe you can tell us a little bit history with HEISHA. When did you started to sell HEISHA product?
So we were on the lookout to some game-changing technology, and we were believers in the true autonomy for the drone in the industry. And when we saw like the drone-in-the-box solution from HEISHA, we were already scouting these type of technologies and compared a bit, benchmarked what was on the market until we finally found HEISHA. And from there, our adventure and collaboration started. We got our first clients, our first live deployment, and came live for now several years in different locations, and met several challenges with this technology upon improving our quality of service and the solutions to our customers. This is what made our success, and we are just in the beginning of this revolution, if I can say.
Through the years of cooperation with HEISHA, what have you witnessed in terms of product?
We actually were very pleased about the support, the interaction, both with the higher management and with the engineers. We got some support that even with local companies here in Europe we never got. So it's worth to say, because it's really astonishing, the synergies and the good collaboration we had, and the level of support at any hour of the day or the night. What also we saw is the taking into consideration all the customer feedbacks and user feedback, and the product improvements that were carried out super fast. Like in a very limited amount of time, we changed all the elements that eventually were requested to be improved, and we arrived to a very stable solutions that now makes the deployment very smooth for our end users.
Okay, where do you see Cybrid Thrust and HEISHA in about 2 or 3 years?
Yeah, conquering the world, I think. That's the least we can say. No, jokes aside, I think we are in a, and we have already been told also by other players in Europe, at very first, that we are really consolidating ourselves as leaders in this industry, and that we are definitely in a leading position to supply bot mentions and autonomous systems for multiple purposes. So, as I say, it's just the beginning, and in the years to come, I'm expecting to see a lot of more of those solutions being deployed, more applications also to be explored by our end users. So yeah, the future looks very bright for the years to come.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.